What's the meaning of bran? Bran. Bran.
Bran. Bran. Bran refers to the outer layer of a cereal grain, particularly wheat, rice, or oats. It is often removed during processing, but can also be consumed as a source of fiber and nutrients. Bran is particularly rich in B vitamins, as well as minerals like magnesium and zinc. By adding bran to your diet, you can improve your digestion and lower your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, bran can help you feel fuller for longer, which may assist with weight management.